Who cut your hair?
Look at my hair.
Who cut your hair?
Yeah.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. Throw the garbage, go.
Okay.
Dun. Throw it properly.
Look at my hair.
Wow, pretty Clemmy. Look, oh. Show mo yung cut, oh. Dali. Smile, Clemmy. Harap na, maybe muna, me. Macy. Macy. Ipakita natin ito kay Mami. Wow, smile, Clemmy.